Everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change reading progress settings on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to settings, and here we need to go over to the reading settings. Now, reading progress is those three settings right here. So basically the header, footer, and the show book progress bar. So we can change the header to pages left in chapter, percent of chapter read, and time remaining in the chapter, or we can simply disable it. And now for the footer, we can do the same. So now we can either disable it, time remaining in book, and percent of book read. So now what we can do is show the book progress bar. So when we click on the checkbox here, then now it will be disabled and we will not see the progress bar on our book. But when we enable it, then we will see it. So basically, this is how you guys can change and manage those reading progress settings. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.